Hello and welcome back to my channel Norina with decor, your favorite spot. A big hello to my amazing audience. I'm so happy you're see you here again. Thank you so much for clicking this video. I hope you're doing great today. So guys, if you're new to here and you like my videos, then please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and make sure you press the bell icon so you don't miss any other amazing upload. This channel is all about wooden craft from home decor ideas in different styles, color combination and sizes. I love sharing new and easy ideas with you. Your support means a lot to me. Let's enjoy today's video together. I hope you find something useful today. Please give this video a like if you enjoy it. Share your comments and they make the smile. Let's keep trying and learning together. You're not just a viewer, you're a part of my YouTube family. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I make this video with a lot of love for you. Stay with me till the end of the video so you don't miss any other amazing designs. This channel is all about wooden beauty and simple decor ideas. If you love wood style and creativity, you are on the right place. In today's video, I am talking about kitchen wooden decor ideas and accessories in different styles, color combination and sizes. Every piece of wood has a piece of story. Let's discover it together. I hope this video inspire you for your own space. Please give this video a like if you enjoy wooden art. Your support help me create more for you. I love reading your comments. Keep them coming. Simple wooden can bring warm beauty to any home. Let's make your space more cozy and charming. Stay with me till the end. I have something lovely for you on daily basis. I bring new ideas from wooden. You are part of this wooden and Norina with decors family. Sit back, relax and enjoy today's video and today's wooden creation. Wooden decor brings warmth and natural beauty to any home. You don't need expensive items, just simple wooden and a little creativity. Try different shapes, round, square or rustic edges. Each one tells a story. Don't be afraid to try your own design. It's your home and it's on your styles. I hope you enjoyed today's wooden home decor ideas. Let me know in the comment section and what you like the most. If try any of these, please share a photo of your experience. Your support means a lot to me. It keeps me growing and creating. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and please subscribe for more wooden decor ideas on every